located in Imota area of Ikorodu. Behind Caleb University on Emre Road, leading to Emre Town and Adams Homes Estate, Imota. Is this factory building and production plant available for sale? Sitting on a fenced and gated land measuring about 1,956 square meters, approximately 3 plots. The factory building is a single bay factory measuring about 333 square meters. You can see some of the plants and equipment used in production of animal feeds here. Here we have the maize threshing machine, sprayer, scales, mashing machine, and dryer. We also have a truck and a generator. The factory building has a 5-room staff quarters with convenience. I believe you love the video of the facility you have just watched. For inquiries, call me on 081 52 800 125. Let us do business.